here in Gala Yuzawa, doing some moon biking, and I'm sliding. I'm tilting on one side so I can keep straight, because if you just keep it flat, it's very difficult to keep straight. But this is very fun. Yeah. So we're gonna start here. We're almost starting. Yeah. So let's go. Woo, that's nice. Maybe you need to lean a bit, see? And give gas. Okay, go. Woo. Difficult to stay straight. And you don't want to end up here in the ditch. You have to like wiggle a bit. You need to carve a bit. Whoa! It's like in the Star Wars, you go on a speed. So if you go full speed, it goes a bit better because you can lean a bit more. So I like it like this better than doing it like we did before. So this is nice. You can lean a bit like this, and that's how I'm steering now. It's like you're really skiing, so I really enjoy it. And we go past these more boring three-wheelers. Are we going up? So actually it has decent power. It can go up. That's pretty nice. I think it's finished here. Finished already? Ah, wow, that's very short.
Do some laps here, a bit cold.
Ah, this one. Okay, let's try some laps and some turns. Okay, let's do some turns, some semi-donuts. Woo. That's fun. Don't hit the pole, baby. We do a little turn. Like this. Try to be very sharp. Like this. And this is a nice little tour. Hello. Going down is pretty nice actually. Go a bit faster. That's nice. You have the beautiful view here. You can do a little turn here too if I'm allowed. I think I went a bit too far from the group. So let's do a sharp. And then you feel that it has some difficulty to speed up on like a tight turn. So let's try again here. Can I go up here? Yes, push a bit. Stay straight. Do a bit of turn. There you go. Have some powder snow here. Amazing view here. Wow, yeah, that's nice actually, going up this hill. It's very nice doing some carving. Going up here. Woo! We have the other group here. We have to wait until people pass here. Here. Now we're with 2 people. Going down, having this amazing view. It's pretty nice. I think this would be fun to even go from different areas. It's like going a bit up the hill. It's pretty good. I have to be careful. Let's try a smooth turn. No, not possible. Let's try it backwards actually. They told me we can go backwards. That's pretty decent. And then let's try forward. Good job, baby! So you need to drive a bit in snow and then you can go backwards. Slow, slow. Yeah, now go backwards. Turn your steering wheel like you would do with a car. And now click the button to go backwards. There, that button on the right. Let's go. Woo. There we go. Let go. And take some carves. Carving is always fun. Go a bit in this deeper snow here. Some powder snow. Enjoy the last bit of sun. Maybe I go here up. Woohoo! Go between. You finish? Beautiful area and not too expensive. I mean, for below 50 American I think I paid, you can get a whole group here. Our whole group, we were like with 5 people. But you don't go too far, that's a bit of pity, so it's just this track. But at least I'm going a bit down and up, so they don't really care if you're at least doing it safely, and you have to go away from the people, of course, if they come. So let's do a turn here. Doing the turns is a bit difficult. At least you can go backwards. And here, let's try to go forward. There we go. Keep the steering wheel a bit, and you go a bit like this. Very nice. Enjoying the Japanese music. You can't slip, so you cannot carve until eternity. But it would be very nice if you can do this in powder snow. And this is a bit of powder here. And actually it feels like it takes pretty good grip here on the powder snow. It has more speed on the powder than on the normal snow, it feels like. Maybe it's a bit too I see. Now we have the group. Let's go down one more time. It's very nice. It's like skiing, but then with a motorcycle. I'm taking every bit of the battery I can, enjoying a bit the last snow. So now, the age-old question, can I do the turn now better? Yes, I can! Woohoo! First turn! So let's see if I can go faster than these people there. It would be kind of funny. So if you lean forward, that's, I feel like, the way you stay the straightest. And I'm kind of impressed how good they can drive you up, to be honest. You would think these small batteries, and doing it in snow is very difficult. And maybe you have to stay a bit on the side of the ski so you don't have too much traction. But for sure I cannot take over. Baby! Let's see if I can go catch up with my wife with a tight turn. Yeah, I can. Baby, go straight, baby. Go straight, follow me, follow me. There's better. Follow me. Follow me. And if you feel like you're slipping, you just have to counter steer a bit and always keep the ski to the front. And you have to keep your feet a bit in the... Then do a little... No. Go wide, and then a turn. Wide, wide, and then turn. Yeah, good, good.